Hello and good morning everyone. I am Jadov Vidhi from school Srimati VM English Medium School, grade 9th A. I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Firstly, I want to pray to God that this pandemic situation COVID-19 ends and the world becomes normal. And secondly, I want to thank LEAD as due to this situation COVID-19 we cannot get out of our homes and do our project. So LEAD gave us opportunity to do something creative at home. So that's why I named this submission Gyan Sathe Gammat, learning with fun. Okay, so the first question they asked was, what does leadership means to you? For me, leadership is not just about leading the team. It's all about the inspiring, supporting and motivating the people whom we work with. So they gave us some 6 virtual challenges. The virtual challenges were make a wand for yourself, vision board, stretching your imagination, help in kitchen, let's make the world a better place, and the social action. One of the most difficult challenges that I found was my wand. Actually, people are born with their special wand. उनको लगता है कि अगर हमें एक wand मिल जाए तो हम 5 मिनट में सब कुछ ठीक कर देंगे. But it is not like that. They have the strength inside there, and the thing is that they just need to found it. So since my childhood, I found that I have confidence, self-belief and determination in me, and that are powers of my wand. My mantra is yes, I can and I will. This symbol is called fist. It represents the powers. The next challenge was vision board. In that we have to draw what I want to be in future. So I want to be a doctor. During this COVID-19 situation, doctors' work is a very serious work and they do it in a very enthusiastic way, and this inspires me to be a doctor and more to be my doctor. These are some of the skills that are required to be a doctor. The skills are decision making, time management, teamwork, communication and problem solving. The next challenge was stretching your imagination. In this we have to make three toys not using plastic. So we made these 3 toys and these are some of the photos. We made 3 different toys which were man, money and house. We made our toy man and money using paper and our house using cardboard. The next task was helping in kitchen. So these are my photos of helping in my mummy in kitchen. So you can see I am filling water, cooking food, cutting vegetables and washing the dishes. Okay, so the fun part is over. Now let's come to the serious part. Let's make this world a better place. The next challenge. How can we make world a better place when there are no problems? So the problem I want to remove is global warming. Global warming is the most common but the most serious and dangerous. Global warming you will all know, but the actual meaning is continuous rise in temperature of earth. It was discovered in 1800s. Some of the causes are greenhouse gases like carbon monoxide, CO2, carbon dioxide, sulfur, methane and volcanic eruption. Well, human activities contributes more than natural causes. Human activities like industrial productions, transportation, deforestation, burning fossil fuels, etc. The effects are melting of polar ice caps, increase in sea level, extreme weather, warming ocean, forest fire, expanding deserts and many more dangerous effects. Okay, so these are the outcomes which I see when global warming is resolved. There will be no more rise in earth's temperature, no more extreme weather, no rise in sea level and no more health problems. These are some of the actions that I want to take in future. I will create awareness by posting on social media. I will plant and distribute trees in school and social organizations. I will do rallies with the support of teacher, parents and collaboration with social organizations. Okay, so this is my little contribution in this pandemic situation. I made a poster and I posted it on social media. Here are some of the pictures that I posted on Facebook and Instagram and people loved that. So the reach was 70 people. We reached about 70 people. Number of amount spent was nil and number of days spent was 10. I know that it's not enough days, but I think that I don't think I will do it in future, and I will do to resolve this problem. The biggest challenge I faced during my action challenge was time, because I got limited number of days. I had online classes, I had my exams, and I was so busy in preparations. I learned many things from this challenge: time management, got to know my inner strength, learned some kitchen work, understand the value of togetherness, learned to work in group, and developed my confidence. Okay, so these are the skills that were utilized in the challenges. There was decision making, problem solving, attention to detail, and critical thinking. Lastly, I want to thank LEAD, and I want to describe my leadership journey. I got to know my strength through psychometric test. I learned by playing various games, developed my confidence through attending sessions, did so many fun. So thank you, LEAD. It was a wonderful journey, and thank you all for your precious time. I hope you are fine and stay safe and have a wonderful day.